Welcome to Zen Body Flow and our daily strength and vitality flow. We begin our practice by attuning ourselves. Take a deep breath in and just sigh it out. Relax your body and mind and take in this beautiful nature all around us. Stand feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Relax your joints, knees, sink your tailbone down. Lift your pelvis slightly, long spine and neck. Open your arms and fingers and feel into the Wuji Posture, your connection between heaven and earth. From stillness, we begin to move and warm our body with knocking on the door of life. Begin to rotate from your center, left and right. Arms swing and knock across the body. Relax your joints and feel the momentum of the movement. The spine and head are upright. This is such a wonderful practice to wake the body, to move the spine, and open our door of life. Let's take 3 purging breaths. In from the nose and exhale, just sigh it out. Let go of all toxic energy and fill your body with fresh, new oxygen. Now let's knock over lung point 1 and 2 by the shoulders nest and add a little swing by lifting onto one foot. When you shift your weight to the left, lift onto your right toes, then switch. Be mindful and light on your feet so you protect your knees. You can now rotate even a little deeper and look over your shoulder. Inhale deeply into the Lower Dantian and feel how the body becomes energized and awake. Now face forward and we drum the Heavenly Gong. This gives a great boost to the digestive system. Knock over the belly button in the front and opposite the belly button in the back on the Ming Men point, the door of life. Feel the vibration and inhale from your nose into the Lower Dantian and exhale out stagnant Qi. Now slow down and unwind. Come into Wuji and feel the sensations. Next, we begin to tap. Rub your hands to create warmth and energy, and then we tap with our 10 dragons, liver and spleen. The thumb can hit right by the rib crease. Inhale deeply and blow it out the mouth to clear physical and energetic blocks. Tap and breathe to clear those emotional sensations that might be stuck here. Wonderful. Shake it off and reset the energy by dusting off the fingers. Then feel into your body and smile. Next, rub your hands again and we tap stomach 2 and 3 on the center of the cheeks under your eyes. If you have any allergies, tapping here supports to open and clear the sinuses. You can also hum, which creates nitrite oxide gas that helps to dilate the blood vessels and nasal passageways. Tap all around and go to your jaw. Tapping here helps to clear habitual tension that we often hold in the jaw. Open your mouth slightly and shift it forth and back. Let your body know, I am relaxed. Let go. Great. Now come to the forehead and tap lightly. This is a perfect morning practice to get fresh blood flow to the front of the brain. Now tap Yin Tang, the third eye point. Inhale and exhale, swap the hand and keep tapping. Let there be inspiration in your day. Imagine a light shining from Yin Tang. And now become still and observe and absorb the nutrients of this practice. Next, interlace the fingers, flow up to chest height and rotate the palms out and stretch your back. Inhale, palms move to the chest. Exhale, sink a little, flow and stretch the back. Feel it opening. Now flow with your breath. Last one. Hands move to the chest into our next flow. Rooster spreads its wings. Your left elbow moves up, back and down. Then the right elbow moves up, back and down. The breath is smooth and calm. Rooster spreads its wing is a dynamic stretch and twist that releases wind in the joints and in the digestive organs. It opens the ribcage and the spine, as well as the shoulder joints and wrists. Now come to the center and reverse the flow. Elbow flows up and forward and down, then to the other side. Keep flowing and imagine a rooster spreading its wings in the morning. Feel your flexibility improve with each move. One last one and return to the center. We open the flow with Shisha. With the inhale, arms softly flow to chest height. Exhale, arms flow gently down. When you inhale, sink from your quad, hips, and when you exhale, rise up. The breath and the movement is so smooth. Use the tonifying breath in and out through the nose. Now let's sink even deeper. Keep your body upright and sink from the hips and knees. Feel the strength in your lower body building. Keep flowing and building your strength. Now, this time when we flow up, open the arms to the side and flow down and around. Inhale, sink, open the arms and chest, and exhale, rise and flow down. Relax your body, relax your joints, and let the breath fill your chest and lungs. This is opening the chest, a traditional flow that improves lung health, our posture, and internal strength. Keep flowing with the rhythm of your breath, guiding the Qi. Last one. This time, imagine catching a ball in your hands. Begin to pulse the energy between your palms. There's a palm-to-palm connection. Sense and feel. Now rotate and form a Qi ball. Then come to stillness and hold your ball in front of your lower dantian. Inhale and exhale softly. Imagine your ball lighting up with pure energy. Smile into this energy you have awakened, your life force. Now rotate the palms to face and open the arms to the sides. Let them flow down again, cross over and up over the body and flow in a circle around. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, rise, and exhale, sink and flow. Imagine pulling up protective earth chi over your body like a golden shield of light. Let the shield of light protect you and keep your energy strong and vibrant for the rest of your day. Last one, and catch the chi in your hands again. Pulse the energy and then form it into a chi pearl, powerful and potent. Sense this life force in your hands, and now imagine the color of your pearl. With your inner vision, let it shimmer and shine. Then guide it gently to your chi high point below the belly button. Inhale, and with the exhale, push the pearl deep into your body. The pearl is the carrier of vital life force. Pull this force towards your spine, deep into the lower dantian. Feel the warmth and gentle sensations. Let's spread this energy to our vital organs by rubbing the hands over the belly in a clockwise motion, to the right, up and over to the left, and down in a circle. Stay clockwise. This is the direction of peristalsis and supports digestion and spreading chi to the digestive organs. Now reverse the motion in a spiral, smaller and smaller, around the chi high point, condensing the energy into the dantian. Smile and enjoy this wonderful feeling, fully nourished and charged with vital life force energy. We step the feet together, root again, and begin to sway forth and back like a bamboo in the wind. Surrender your efforts and become light and free with the knowing Mother Earth holds you and nourishes you. Find your center and become still. With the inhale, let Father Heaven pull you upright. Chest open, shoulders back. Feel your strength. With the hands to your heart, connect to your heart, and then inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Smile into your heart and feel it open and light. In gratitude, we bow to the intelligence of our heart. Amitufwa. May you take this feeling of Zen and flow into your day. Have a wonderful day, blessed with chi and health. Thank you and bye-bye. If you enjoyed this practice, then repeat it daily for the next 14 days and notice how your breath, strength, and vitality improves each day. When we repeat a practice, we internalize the movements and can focus on our breath and begin to flow. Feel free to share which movement you enjoyed, and if you like, you can share the color of your chi pearl. I always look forward to your comments, feedback, and ideas. And thank you for sharing my videos. That truly means a lot to me. Let's bring more chi to the world. With so much love and gratitude. See you very soon again.